Also got some 4-gauge wire going off of Devin Vanderhoof's videos. I think I had some wiring flaws before, so crimpers and should be the rest of the other stuff to rerun the ground. Got the 4-post kill switch to run, so I can run the alternator wire back to it and have it right with Jesus. Gonna run additional grounds up here. Should have the studs for the power and ground put in. And yeah, he had a real good video on that, so try to do everything right. I threw everything in here to begin with just to get it up and going. Now I got some more time in my hands. Gonna redo it all, get rid of that distribution block, probably put up I got one off of Amazon or something. Put it up there to run relays for fans and whatnot. So alright, so back from my trip. Gotta make some progress on the truck again. Gonna undo all this rat's nest, pull the harness out. Now it's all up under here, rerouted around. It was all just looped up and zip tied up in here. All the extra. Reroute it, have it come through more behind the intake so it's a little neater. Get my Motion Raceworks steam port kit on there. I think that's gonna help once start putting some more power to it. Got some loom sleeve in, some more grommets, vacuum hose, some we'll be putting on the other intake. Try to help secure some of the wires and hoses underneath the truck a little better. So got to redo some of the wiring behind the dash. Had some messed up wires that were connecting some of the gauges together. It was melted a little bit, so figured probably better get it right before it gets going again. Yeah. All right, so I figured out a little trick last foot or so before finishing up this loom, redoing some of the wiring on the truck. You got these fuel line quick disconnects. Clip them in. Open up around it. And keep pressure with your thumb there. You might want to do it with a pair of mechanics gloves just to keep it from rubbing on you. But kind of handy if you're going to be rewiring a lot or running a lot of loom like I just did.